okay. You guys saw we did some Chase bar this morning. Don't mind, we have stuff everywhere. Like stuff we have to wrap, stuff we gotta organize. Look at just stuff everywhere. And then Lucy and I took Brody on a long snowy walk. It's like a winter wonderland outside. It snowed so much last night. And now we have like 8,000 errands to run. We have to go to FedEx. We have to go to the grocery store. We have to go to HomeGoods. We have to get a Christmas tree. Missing one more spot. Oh yeah, CVS too. So we got quite a lot. We are off. I'm glad we took Brody on literally like an hour walk in the snow so that he won't miss us too much. And my hair needs to be washed tonight. It's feeling so dirty. Tried to slick it back, but I only had hair oil. So I think it didn't slick that well and now it's just looking a little uncomfortable, but that's okay. It's all good. I'm wearing my new sweater at least. Isn't this cute, Lou? I ordered this from Daily Drills and it's like this like cozy gray oversized sweater. But I kind of feel like, you know, new stuff. Oh, not too bad so far. You know when you do new fuzzy sweaters or sweatshirts and it like sheds all over your leggings? Yeah. And these are also my new leggings from Aritzia. They're just like Aligns, but honestly, maybe even better. They don't have a front seam. Oh, that's nice. And they're so soft. Okay, we're off on our errands. You stay here, sweet man. Cutie boy. Okay, we did our super secret special shipment at FedEx.
Done and dusted. I need to get hand sanitizer for my car again. I chipped.
Okay. I just said, what do you mean? And I didn't mean that.
Look at my nails.
I feel like I have
They're
more
cherry.
hand sanitizer. I love them.
And chrome.
They look really good. What I was gonna say, I thought you were about to say what I was thinking. Hand lotion. I need some.
Well, this is the Aesop one
that I gave you.
Yeah, it's
I need some. My hands are always so freaking dry.
Oh,
I've been loving the
I've been trying to put it on around my rings. I didn't think of taking them off.
I like hate the feeling of having on rings and putting on lotion. Yeah. Sometimes I just get it all over my rings, but I like to take them off and then put them back on.
That's a good idea.
You need to show them your new ring. It's so pretty.
Yeah, here is my new ring.
Her boyfriend got her. He's focused. Yeah, look at it.
My creepy scar. I burned myself just last week.
Scar. You can see right there.
So
it's that like
pretty.
wraparound diamond ring they have.
I love it.
I helped him pick it out. No, it was his
my
idea.
Nails match this cherry. He got me the cherry little thing for this Coach bag that he got me.
He picked out this Coach bag too, and I
obsessed
said,
with it.
I approve. Good job.
I'm obsessed.
And yeah,
and I love the ring.
Like I want it.
It's really cute.
Give me that.
I know, I'm like scared I was scared to get lotion on this yesterday. I put on lotion when I was driving, so I just like lotioned around the ring.
I love it. Look
really
at it.
Cute.
Can't you see this for me too? Maybe I'll copy or steal.
So pretty.
Can it not make my hands look so pale right now? You need a good self-tan moment. Pre-Christmas.
I put on biker shorts for a Chase bar this morning and I was horrified. Cute. I think these ones I wear are just from it is.
Wait, why does it fit my first finger better on this hand than this hand?
Yeah, I feel like
probably because it's indented for my Aura ring.
Probably.
Like it fits that one good. Probably. And I feel like your dominant hand, the fingers are supposed to be bigger than the non-dominant hand. Yeah. But I feel like my left first finger is bigger than my right first finger. Yeah. Look it's way tighter on this one than this one. Yeah. It's kind of weird.
I was putting it on. It covered perfectly my creepy scar from burning myself on.
Why are you calling it your creepy scar?
Because it just like, I'm like trying to show them my ring and it's like, this like, looks creepy.
Okay. Anyway, did FedEx, did CVS, got my birth control. Lucy got a picture that she is gonna frame. Now,
you know, some presents.
We're just flying through our errands, getting it done. Okay, running into HomeGoods. My mother would like a muffin tin and a picture frame with the picture that Lucy just printed. Oh, she wants 2 muffin tins.
Yeah, maybe so.
Okay, here we go. Hopefully we don't get sidetracked with too much like decor or anything. I'm hoping, I'm manifesting right now that we find the gingerbread candle that we got last Christmas that I used all the way up because it's so good. And it's a really cute like gingerbread shape. Gingerbread man. So I'm manifesting that we find that. I need to show you guys my haul. We're going for things that we didn't even come here for. Look how cute little gingerbread.
Really cute.
I'm in a gingerbread vibe, as you can tell, in this cute gingerbread wrapping paper. Because I have this feeling we're gonna run out later when we wrap.
Of course we will.
Then I was looking for the gingerbread candle.
That's cute. I'll turn it. Oh,
it's all broken right there. I didn't even notice.
That's why she got looked over.
Okay. Well, maybe I'll find it. Oh, here's a not broken one right here.
Look and you shall receive.
Is that bad to leave the... Should I bring it up?
No, it's okay.
There. This is what I had
Somebody
to grab
else
before.
left it.
I was looking everywhere for the gingerbread. I'm like, I feel its presence close. Ha!
Oh my god.
Look, there she is. I manifested. I knew she'd be here. Oh shit. Help. I mean, shoot.
Wow. Look at that.
I'm so excited.
You did it. You
know
manifested
who I
it.
just saw had this is Max's mom at her house, and we had it last Christmas. And I
we
just
did.
burned through it, and I knew we needed another.
So cute.
These are gonna look so cute together.
Mm-hmm. Heck yeah.
Okay, we're cooking with gas. We are flying through our errands. I'm so proud of us. Now we're going to the new Whole Foods. I'm so excited. I hear it's like big and beautiful and amazing.
I've been here and you haven't.
I have not, which is crazy.
I think I came here like the weekend it opened. I think it must have been like Labor Day or something.
I'm excited to see it.
Realized.
We're gonna do big grocery shop mainly just for Lucy's my dinner, like tonight. Because we want to wait to get stuff for Christmas. I don't want to like 4 days early, you know?
And we can have
Some stuff will
leftovers
go
from
bad.
dinner to have for lunch tomorrow. Like I feel like we should get like have enough, you know?
Yeah.
For lunch tomorrow.
Yeah, it'll be great. Why is everyone honking?
People have been really vocal on the
Enough
road today.
people.
I've been hearing a lot of honk.
It's a holiday season. Here she is.
She's nice.
It is really big. It's definitely bigger than the old one here.
Expensive.
Wow. Whole Foods was lovely. Give you guys a haul. And we're back home. It definitely is more expensive than other grocery stores though.
Yeah.
But I do feel like it's superior for like produce and stuff. Like I feel like it stays better longer.
Yeah.
Than
And I feel
if
less
you go to Trader
scared
Joe's
of
or
their like
something.
meat. Like I'm
yeah. I know we get kind of freaked out sometimes.
freaked out.
Okay, now we're about to try a new place for a Christmas tree. I was gonna go to Lambert, have us go to Lambert's like last year,
Yeah.
but we drove by another place earlier nearby.
I saw that they had trees and the trees looked like full.
They looked good, and it was like
In the
trees available,
street.
so we were like, alright, I'll try it
They
out.
had some snow on them too.
Yep. So pretty out. Since like the sun is setting, what time is it? 4 o'clock?
Yeah.
Aww, pretty. Okay, hopefully we got some.
Starting November 21st. Well, we must be the last ones here.
Literally like 2 left. Quick and easy.
Snow on them
We
too.
got our tree. Sawn off the bottom. A big fluffy one. Who knew? Oh, we were gonna end up with one of these little ones. We got a big one. We were swindled.
Well, we
in
didn't
the big
have
one.
we don't have the live garlands, so
It'll be perfect.
we'll have one thing.
Yes. You were cold, and they invited us in their shed.
It's so nice. We're hanging
Stuff. Oh, heck yeah. We're ready.
Oh, it's gorgeous. Wow.
Big
and
fluffy. Love her. Loaded on. Ready to go. That was quick and easy. Oh yeah, and they gave us a wreath.
And like, no wreath, no wreath. And then the wreath found us.
That was so meant to be. Okay, guys, they were so nice. He was like, come in our shed,
We were freezing.
get warm. They liked us. And then he was like, grab a beer. I'm like, I'm good. And then I was like, 85 or 95 for the tree. He said, how about I take 10 off? I'm like, sounds good to me.
They had the college football going in the shed, a
And
nice
then
like wood burning, like
He
whatever.
was like, oh, see that wreath? Take that too. And I'm like, oh, you just made Lucy's day. All
He's
day
like,
Lucy's
the big one, or he's like, or there's some small ones on the thing. We're like, oh, the big one.
We'll
you
take the
should
big one.
have.
And then, yeah, Lucy all day was like, we need a wreath. I'm like, I have one, but I think it's in Utica. I'm like, I'm done getting so much Christmas stuff just for us to take it down like the next day. Like, and then he's like, grab the wreath.
Us with
I'm
the
like,
tree. Yeah.
yeah.
But I'm glad he's.
Whew, we did it.
I guess people aren't buying trees this year, or maybe people aren't celebrating the Cape. Like, I don't know what it is.
Yeah, he was like, this is the first year we haven't sold out. So we're helping him out.
I said, well, don't worry.
off the
There might
best
be some
tree.
stragglers like us
Yeah,
last
we
year.
were so late. He was like, last year this time we would be doing 50 trees a day too. We did like 4 or 5.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Happy to
people are just doing the
contribute.
fake trees. He said that's so fun. Which I feel like I used to believe that. I'm like, real or else. And now fake trees have a time and place. Like in Utica, obviously we're gonna
Yeah.
be gone so much. We need a
Like
fake one.
in our apartment in Pinky, like
Yeah.
yeah,
It's just
like,
way
why?
easier to have a fake one.
we're gonna like light the apartment on fire. No one's taking care of it.
I
like,
know.
And then what do you do with it in the
I
city? Like throw it on the street after?
know, it'd be way too hard. Errands complete. A little sunset walk. You like the snowboard? Are you having fun? Okay, sorry we didn't show you guys our Whole Foods haul. Just know it was good stuff. Well, it's everything that's in the salad and the pasta we're making tonight. Lucy made, well, okay, first I'll tell you about the salad. This is her famous salad. She makes a homemade dressing with
olive oil and balsamic vinegar. We use balsamic glaze because we didn't have balsamic vinegar, and I just use more lemon, but lemon as well, Dijon mustard,
honey.
and then I do a bunch of honey and red pepper flakes and salt and pepper. And
There you have it. And it's so simple and good. She fed me the salad the other week and I was like, whoa,
blueberries,
knock my socks off.
candied pecans, feta, green apple, An avocado and arugula.
And we did some spinach in there too. It's so yummy. This is our little appetizer before
For
the
our big
pasta
dinner. I'm so excited.
she's gonna make for us because I've never had.
Marry Me chicken.
Yeah.
My boyfriend's made it for me a few times, so I'm gonna try it today, and I'm so excited.
Oh, you've never made it on your own?
I made it on my own.
Well, we're gonna make
I
it.
could FaceTime in some help if I need to.
And it'll be delish.
It'll be great.
Okay, we're gonna have our salad now. Now we're making Lucy's marrying chicken pasta that she always raves to me about, that I've never had before. We have like a shallot in here, garlic butter. Oh, just touched my hand on that pot. That was burning. Some pasta going, made some chicken. Here we go.
Uh-oh, it's stuck.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Yum.
Oh, mackerel. We don't want the whole thing
Maybe
there.
like Mackenzie Childs in here. Look at all the... Woo! Okay, and then we can cut up the chicken and add that too.
Nose out.
Oh yeah, we figured out our missing ingredients. We forgot the Parmesan. How could we forget? The best part.
Yeah.
Should I give it a whirl?
Yeah.
Yum, we need it on this cold, snowy evening.
Goes.
This chicken turned out so good too. Look at us go, little chefs. Wow.
We got a bit
She's amazing. Last year we had
game time.
them so long down here, but I think this should just go up along the top like that. And we can do...
Wait, so long.
They were
Oh,
this
yeah.
long before?
No, wait. Whoa, I think you got something else.
The whole roll?
I think you took literally the whole roll.
Okay.
No.
Help me.
Well, how many do you think? I forget how much often we put up. Maybe 3 on this? Or what do you think? Ooh, it feels so creepy, but
I know.
it looks fine.
Whatever, yeah, this is perfect. This is like kind of ugly.
Oh.
Oh, remember the bows?
Oh, no.
You had to do?
No.
What?
Bow, it's bogey.
And I was so bad at
It's so hard. I forget the tactic also. Like, I completely forget. You know, maybe it's muscle memory. It was
This
so
is
hard.
heavier than the real garland, I feel like.
I was gonna say that too. Like, I can even hold the bottom of it while I'm tying.
Wait, it's just gonna slip.
Yeah, I don't know.
How did we do this?
Wait, that's why it has a hook. Can we hook it like to anything up?
No. Oh! It's like bending, can wrap around like that a little bit.
I feel like I'm doing this bow completely wrong. How did I do the thing to get it in the front?
We're really struggling.
That was like my
Oh, it's just slipping.
point last.
Good morning. So next morning, last thing you guys saw was us trying to do the garlands last night. I started to feel so overwhelmed after dinner because I was just like, there's so much for us to do right now. Like with ADHD, I can't like prioritize things. I'm like, oh my gosh, my head is spinning. We need to wrap presents. We need to hang the garlands. We need to decorate the tree. We have more decorations we have to put out. I need to clean. I need to wash my hair, you know? So I was just like, But we did the garlands.
We checked some good things off the list.
Yeah, I only showed you guys a little, but I need to show you when we get home. And I was like, you know what, this will be better to do decorating
so
and
snowy, guys.
I know, decorate the Christmas tree in like the daylight. So we'll show that when we get back. But right now we're on our way to Lighthouse. I'm so excited. We had a big coffee, we had my breakfast sandwich, and the garlands actually turned out good. And I'm glad I ordered, last year we got real ones, and I feel like they were expensive, and they got pine needles everywhere. Lucy and I were vacuuming for like hours after Christmas, and it was like, well, I'll say fun in the process. It was difficult and took so much time, and then they were up for like one day.
They were beautiful.
They were. So then this year I was like, we're not doing this again. I need to order fake garlands. And you know, I've had that on my to-do list since like January, and then naturally I ordered the quickest ones on Amazon like 2 days ago. So are you just showing me the snow?
Yeah, it looks so pretty.
So anyway, we did get garlands, but yeah, just last night on Amazon. But they turned out good. Oh, my camera is not. Hang on.
I was saying they look like so twirly, and they're so fluffy. Like, I feel like they don't fall. They like just get blown around.
I know.
It's like we're in a snow globe.
We're in a snow globe. Oh.
What's that?
Didn't even bring my camera in. It was so busy in there.
It was so festive.
We got our sandwiches to go. And our little coffee. Well, coffee for me. Chai for Lucy. I actually want to try yours. Lucy got a hot one. Is it good? Is it really hot or not too bad?
I like it.
Yum. I miss chai. Remember when I used to get dirty chais?
The warm one's so good.
Yum. I already feel the caffeine pumping through my veins. Yum. We might go record for my podcast when we get home, you guys. And I'm gonna be yapping a mile a minute in my coffee. I need to eat my sandwich. I got the
coffee.
egg, ham, cheddar cheese, strawberry jam. You said you should start drinking coffee?
Yeah, so I can keep up.
With me?
Mm-hmm.
I'm like... The stress that is getting out of this parking lot is so tight.
7 cars lined up behind where we're parked, and we're of course in the most narrow spot. And there's
if you know, you know. Lighthouse is always a zoo parking.
Yeah, thanks for waiting, everyone.
Okay, I'm filming because I want you guys to see. I took a picture out front, but I need to get on my vlog how cute it is.
Opening the window.
Lucy goes,
for me.
I'm hot and sweating and overstimulated.
My car's looking at me.
Look at this is what I want them to see. The buoy Christmas tree and the snow and the sign is so cute.
This is a cute
We love you, Lighthouse. Okay, we're back home. I want to show you guys the decorating we have done thus far. Big red ribbon on the mirror right there. We love. Still have to do lights on the trees and some ornaments. We might do a ribbon around it this year too. We were kind of letting it settle last night and we have a towel on the ground because some ice was like melting off of it. Oh, also you can see behind me. Okay. So that big tree, I don't know if that's staying there, but we just have that there for now. We did that little tree, did some pine cones in there. We had to like move around all the decor. I don't know if I'm liking all that, but whatever. I have that big Stanley right now. That's what I was filling up water into. What's it called? Water the tree. Oh my gosh, am I okay? So that's why that is there. Then here were the garlands I was telling you guys about. Again, so glad I got fake ones off of Amazon. These were kind of like expensive though, but I was reading reviews and the cheaper ones people were saying were so thin and didn't look like full and nice. And these look pretty believable if you ask me. We were feeling them though. We're like, why do they feel kind of scary and like rubbery? We're like, ooh. But don't touch them. If you just look at them, they look great. And they won't shed like the ones last year. I think they look so cute. And Lucy does the bows so good. I just give up. She knows how to do the bows like amazingly. So we did all of this and I just like guesstimated how many we would need. It turned out perfect because I ordered these all. I was still in Utica at our apartment. And I was like, okay, I'm just gonna get like 4 boxes of the 6 feet ones. So we have 2 here, 1 here, and 1 here. And it's perfect. I just love how it turned out. So festive and so cute. I feel like all these railings were just made for little garlands for Christmas time. I feel like this vlog is getting so long now since we filmed so much yesterday. Literally, do not mind the stuff that we've ever, there's like presents we got. Yeah. So I figured in the next vlog we can show more decorating and such. And like I should end this off here. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Love you. See you in the next Vlogmas, and there probably will be 2 more total. 1 more after this decorating, setting up, and then like a Christmas Eve, Christmas Day one. Yeah, get excited. Hope you guys have been enjoying this Vlogmas. Oh my gosh, did I even do question of the day? No. Let's do it right now. What is your favorite part of Christmas or the holidays? If you don't celebrate Christmas, like whatever holiday you celebrate, just what is your favorite part? I want to know, or like a tradition. I think I have done that for a question of the day before, but I want to know your favorite part. Mine might be the food, honestly. Just like the food that we have around Christmas is always so good. Or like Christmas morning breakfast with like cinnamon rolls. You guys know me. Yeah. Okay, I love you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.